Hey, welcome all. So today we are going to solve fourth problem, remove duplicates from sorted array part 2. In last video we saw remove duplicates from sorted array, and today we are going to solve this fourth problem. Difficulty level is medium. Let's see this question first. So in this question we have given an input as nums array only, and one extra thing is given that each unique element appears at most twice. This is the only difference in previous question and this question. And in the output, they again want a number of elements which are not duplicate. So this is the input which is given to us. And the condition is that each number can appear maximum twice, maximum two times, right? So this zero is allowed, and then this one is appearing four times. So we have to remove these two ones, and this 2 is allowed because this is appearing only once, and then these 3 appearing only 2 times, so this is allowed. And we have to restructure our array, so all the values which are not duplicate should come at front, and what we are leaving behind doesn't matter. And also we need output like number of elements which are unique, which are not duplicate, right? So let's try to solve this question. We can use a hash map. We can keep a frequency of each number, and that way we can solve it. But the problem is we cannot use an extra memory here. We have to modify the same array. That's the me another ask from this question. Do not allocate extra space for another array. Same array we have to restructure it. Okay. So let's try to solve this. Let's see. Let me copy this. Okay, copy this. Okay, paste this one. Okay. So let's try to see what we needed. So see what we did in the last problem. We kept one pointer here and we were comparing these two elements. So same thing we are going to do it here. We will keep one pointer j at a starting position, right? And then we will start comparing. But in this question, we need a counter as well, because we want to keep a track of numbers, because each number can appear maximum twice only. So we need a counter equal to 1. Okay, then we will run a for loop from this place, right? Loop from I equal to 1, right? And so same array we are going to modify. Initially the value will be j will be at 0th position, j is here. Then we first will try to compare these two values. If it is matching, then counter will get increased, right? Our counter will definitely get increased. So if it is matching, I'll increase my counter. If matching, then counter will become plus plus, right? And this value I really want it. So I'll copy this value. Nums. So first I'll increase my j, because j is right now here. I'll keep my j here, and then I'll at nums jth position, I'll copy this, right? Ith value, I'll copy this, right? This is what. Okay, so counter become 2 when initially you compared it's matching. Counter become 2, and if maximum 2 times any value is allowed, so this is allowed. So we will copy this value and copy this value to the jth position, right? So this will become j, right? This is how my new array will look like. Means same array in a modified way. Now my loop will increase and try j is here and I is here. Now we will compare these two values. This is not matching. It means this is definitely a unique value. So we will if it is not matching, what we will do, not matching. If matching, counter plus plus. If not matching, then counter equal to 1, right? And this is unique. Definitely I want this value. So j will get increased first, then this will get copied and pasted at jth position, right? So when we are doing this condition, when counter is 1 or 2, right? So we can put this in a condition. If counter is less than equal to 2, then we are doing these two things, right? Now try to compare these two. Matching, counter will become 2 now. If counter is 2, I'll increase my j will come here, and then I'll copy this value 1 to jth position, right? Now this will get compared with this. My counter become 3. If my counter become 3 means really I don't want this one. Maximum any value allowed 2 times. So I don't want it, and if you see, it will not go in this condition also. So now what will happen? It will move further. Now this will get compared with this. Counter 4, it will get ignored. Then this will get compared with this 2. Okay, this is not matching. If counter once, then we increase first our j will come here, and then copy this value to this place. So this 2 will come here. Now you see, duplicate got removed, right? My this 2 will get compared with this 3. Okay, this is not matching. This is a unique value. Counter is 1, and I'll increase my j. My j will come here, and this 3 will get copied here, right? Now this 3 will get compared with this 3. This is matching. Counter becomes 2, and if counter is less than or equal to 2, I'll increase my j and copy that value to this position. What I'm leaving behind doesn't matter. My loop ends here, and my j position, whatever the j position, my j will be here. I'll return my j here. Okay, let's try to write a code. In the similar fashion, we are going to write a code. Let's see. So what I said, first we'll keep a counter j equal to 0, and then we said we'll keep a counter equal to 1. This is what we said. Then we said we'll run a for loop, and nums.length, and then I plus plus. And then what we said, if nums j value is matching with nums I value, then we will increase the counter. If it is not matching, we will not we will reset the counter. And we are saying if counter is less than equal to 2, then we are saying that increase first j and then copy ith value at jth position, right? This is what we are saying. And at the end, what we have to return? We have to return j plus 1 we have to return, right? Because this is zero based indexed array. And this is what, let's try to run this. Oh, something I have done wrong. Oh yeah, this is fine now. Let's see. Compile time error, missing return. 1 second, let's see. Oh, this is closing it here. This is closing it here. So this is closing it here, right? I need to copy this. Yes, sorry. Accept it. Let's submit. Let's see. It should get accepted. We'll see. Yes, and it beats 100%. Thank you.